So I mean, you would look at a P&L and the financials, and you'd be like, that business is losing money. Like,
right. How do you value my business? Yeah.
I think like a mix of like what the growth trajectory has been, plus the unit level economics, so like per customer, whatever the measure is, like what does it look like? And as the business scales and like all the fixed overhead costs and fixed technology costs is being amortized over the business, what does it look like? And what can I expect like 5 or 6 years from now in terms of like steady state margin for that business? Is technology adding value, or is technology just an additional cost making it a worse business model? And management team, especially in VC, is key, and like that's something that I did not know coming in VC, in the sense that like I had not seen a lot of management teams, and now like you kind of see after 6 or 7 months, like seeing multiple companies per week, like you get a pattern recognition of like what you're looking for in a management team and their ability to execute.
So last question on that last point, like how many companies do you like? Just we can make this round numbers, right? Like how many companies do you see in a week or month, right? Just people calling you to invest. How many companies do you take meetings with? Just give people like a general sense of the market. And how many people do you take meetings with? How many people do you do the work on? How many people do you like take the meeting, whatever? And then how many people invest in, right?
That's a good question.
It could be very rough.
I mean, in terms of, I would not call just people that reach out to me, because often like I'm reaching out as well. So in terms of like businesses that I'm going to look at, like a list of companies every week, like at least 50 to 100, like that I'm going to read about in the news, or like screens, or like people reaching out. So a lot of volume, and like get a quick sense quickly on like if you're interested or not. In terms of setting up meetings, depends from one week to another, but like early stage would be a lot, like probably 20, 25 companies. At our stage where we are at, like probably 5 to 10
makes sense,
companies that are meeting every week, like an hour or two, and then double clicking with those companies, like if they're in a fundraising mode, maybe 1 or 2 per week. And then if we double click, really,
funnel, right?
it's like it's a big funnel, and then it goes down.
That's I think helpful for people to know, right? Like you're looking, that's one of the cooler things about jobs like this, and you know, private equity, et cetera, investing, is you look at hundreds of business models on a monthly basis, right? And then you say, okay, this is gonna work, it's not. And you're not gonna know right away, but you're gonna be like, look, this isn't gonna work, and whatever. And then you start making judgment calls. And I think as a young professional, that's really cool, because you are just making the judgment call based on what you know and what you've learned. And then moving on, and then maybe coming back to it. So exactly, and you learn, the ability to learn is just so much there.